This is a story about Ada, who lives in an isolated village. She's a real bookworm, and she likes to sing in the shower, but she's too shy to perform. She's very smart. She speaks 4 languages. Danish.
Jeg spiser altid gulerødder med tærne.
That means I like to cook.
German.
Maja Kursmas, dies war das jetzt.
That means I always drink tea in the morning.
Italian.
Mi piace mangiare il formaggio con la panna.
That means the grown now like to play football.
En Dutch.
Fuck mensen, ik heb geen idee wat ik moet zeggen.
That means that it's my favorite language.
However, she doesn't know much about the world of pies. She only seen the inside of the library. Yeah. One day, she decides to step out and buys herself a phone. That's where her whole life changes.
Jeg tror, at jeg burde tænke over alting. Penso che dovrei pensare a tutto. I think I should think about everything. E det gør ondt, når du gør det bedste, og du ikke klarer. Fa male quando provi a fare il tuo meglio, ma non hai successo. And it hurts when you try your best, but you don't succeed. Jeg tror, at jeg skal glemme dit navn, hvem jeg er, hvad jeg hedder, hvem jeg har elsket. Penso che dovrei dimenticare il mio nome, il tuo nome, chi sono, cosa odio e chi ho amato. I think I have to forget my name, your name, who I am, what I hate, what I've loved. Jeg tror, at vi skal begynde med at glemme alt, vi kender til. Penso che noi dovremmo iniziare col dimenticare tutto ciò che noi sappiamo. I think we have to start by forgetting everything we know.
Ada throws away her book and enters the digital world. It's overwhelming, and she feels like a fish in the sea, like a cat in the tree, like a bird in the sky, a dog in the house, a turtle in the terrarium, and like a whale in the ocean.
Darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. I never knew you were someone waiting for me. We were just getting badly in love. I know the quality was. I wouldn't give you up. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own. And your eyes show dancing in the dark, you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. Instead, you looked away. I whispered underneath my breath that you heard it, telling you
Everything seemed to be alright. But then, when you look in the toilet, you can see your own future, bitch. I can write my name in your foundation, bitch. Du bist hässlicher als ein Eimer voller Arschlöcher, bitch.
Grind your sour cunt with a bucket of gravel, bitch.
Wenn du nach Afrika fährst, glauben alle, dass du ein Essenspaket wärst, bitch. Wenn du Bett bei je moeder kan ik met een snackbar beginnen, bitch.
Your naked sister on a horse, bitch.
Your mother is so fat that everybody in the class sat around her, bitch.
You're uglier than a bucket full of anuses, bitch.
A lepra in your urethra, bitch.
Die on your birthday, bitch. Je moeder in een cake, bitch.
Your dad is a hoe, bitch.
Je hebt minder staal dan de krultang, bitch.
You're a fat pedophile on wheels, bitch.
Talk to my head, bitch. If you can send a finger, bitch. Your mother is a hoe, bitch. My ass is better than yours, bitch.
So much love. So much freedom. So much love on the internet.
who wants to escape our world.
I think Celia is beautiful.
I think Maynard is smooth.
I think Bent is crazy.
I think Luce is rude.
Lara once smuggled it.
I think Jesper is fat.
I think Jonathan is rough.
I think Christy is strong.
Amelie lives in a mill.
I think Eduard is dead.
Alessio is eating pepperoni pizza.
I think Sophia is amusing.
I think Victor is actually sweet.
I think Julie is slow.
I think Jan doesn't stand a chance.
I think Ada is protective.
I think Ada is asexual.
I think that Ada is soft.
I think that Ada is interested.
I think that Ada seems interested.
I think it's chill when Ada hears me out.
I like it when Ada looks at me.
I like being close to Ada.
I think that Ada can be a little more ambitious.
I think that Ada is often suspicious.
I think that the fact that Ada's been in jail is pretty cool.
I think Ada's parents are a little simple.
I think that Ada is a little simple.
I don't think Ada is stupid.
I don't think Ada is stupid either.
Nobody thinks that Ada is stupid.
Ada isn't stupid.
I think simple is the same as a little stupid.
I think simple is the same as easy or with ease.
I just don't think that Ada is intellectual.
I think you can also be smart without having to read a book.
I think everyone should read books.
I believe
Even
books are
Ada.
important.
I often think books are too big.
I think that books are often too easy.
I believe cooking books aren't real books.
I like you.
I like you.
I like,
I like you. Like.
you.
Like. I like you.
Like.
I like you.
I
like you.
like you.
Like. Like.
I like Ada.
Ada likes you.
Ada likes you.
Do I think walking you?
I think walking is boring.
Ada thinks walking is boring.
You think that walking?
Ada, you walking thing.
Ada walking. Ada walking. Ada.
I think that Ada.
You think that walking?
I find walking
You think the way Ada walks is boring.
boring.
Beep.
Game over.